Hey everybody, I've got another quick little tip for you here. This is a Porsche Cayenne, but it's the same 3-liter engine you find in a lot of Audi vehicles. And when you're doing an oil service, oil change on one of these, and you have to have the engine cover off, rather than pour the oil through this, just go ahead and take it loose here and put yourself a fitted funnel in this port and fill your oil from there. It's going to make it a lot easier for you. The oil's going to go in a little easier, a little faster, and you're not going to spill any. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.